pockets hot. What a day. Find some shade before I melt away. Sipping my coffee, rolling my J's. Hopping in the Chevy, getting ready for a day on the lake. Nature so peaceful, coming from a place so evil. Seeing all the wildlife, stars at night, no people. Just camping and I'm dancing, old penitentiary chancing, revving up the truck. My neighbors to wake up. Damn, the road sizzling, my dirty Sprite fizzling. City boy on a country mission, hitting on an alien OG. Feel it in my chest, smoke is thick, only puffing on the best. Yes, and you know, windows down, song on repeat. Feeling the summer breeze, feeling the beat in the street. You rolling the dice. I'm on the boat with the watermelon slice. Feeling free, no AC, just a breeze on the boat. Already got a bikini soap. You already know. Yo, boy, I got that flow. Man, it's hot as hell. As soon as I step out the door, I can tell. Man, the vibes in my guts. Something saying something ain't right. Change the plans, hop in a ride. What is we doing? Dispensary, hiking and going shrooming. The girls can go too, and they already in hot pursuit, and nobody else know what we doing. I'm sure the SPD don't even mention me. They just see what's on IG. All they see is me in the country counting money, or I'm on the lake floating, smoking on a fresh zip. Thought I hit a fish, hit my bait, but it was just a stick. Damn. You can say I'm new to the shit. Says she want a date, but she just wants the stick. She super thick, that and catching a fish make you feel rich. No, super blessed bitch. Feeling super rich too, acting a fucking fool at the bottom of the map, at the top of the boot. Yeah, speaking of fucking truth. Windows down, song on repeat. Feeling the summer breeze, feeling the beat in the street. You rolling the dice. I'm on the boat with the watermelon slice. Feeling free, no AC, just a breeze on the boat. Already got a bikini soap. Windows down, song on repeat. Feeling the summer breeze, feeling the beat in the street. You rolling the dice.